For reservation, just log in one of the front desk receptionist account, then go to the reservations page. As a receptionist, you can see all the reservation made by the guest through the online booking system. And if you click a specific reservation, you can see the guest details and stay details of that specific reservation. As you can see, there's 3 reservations today. Then, let's say Alex Williams already arrived at the hotel, ready for check-in. As a receptionist, you will verify the reservation details of Alex Williams, and if correct, just click the check-in button. And that record will automatically go to the guest accounts, meaning Alex Williams is already a guest and checked in at the hotel. And for cancellation, the system has a feature of automatic cancellation. Since the check-in time for reservation is 2 o'clock p.m., so at exactly 2:01 p.m., all the reservation that's still in this calendar, meaning the guest did not arrive before 2 o'clock p.m., so the reservation will be automatically cancelled. And as you can see, the other 2 reservation on December 21 is already removed from the reservations. And if you go to the reservation history, you can see here all the reservations with their status of either checked in or cancelled. And that's all for the reservations. But if you want to try to reserve a room, just open the link of booking system provided in the Google form. Here you can see the booking system or the website of the hotel. Just scroll down and pick any room you want. Example, I will try to reserve a room of executive suite. Just click the book now button. Upon clicking the book now button, you'll see the hotel online reservation policies, which includes the reservation policy, cancellation and refund policy, check-in policy, and no-show policy. At the bottom, closing this modal means you understand all the policies and still wish to proceed. Just close this modal and input the reservation details or stay details of your reservation. Let's say I want to reserve a room for February 14 up to February 21. I want to spend a week in the hotel. Then select your preferred floor. Then for number of adults, for 2. Just click next and enter your personal information. And if you qualify for a promo, just click it for a discount and click pay with card. For the sake of testing, just enter any email and the card number is 4242 only. 4242. Then the expiration is any month and the year should be 2024 to 2073. And the CVC, you can enter any number you want. Upon successful reservation, you'll see a success message. Reservation complete. Please check your email for your email confirmation. Thank you. Then check your email. There should be a reservation confirmation sent to your email. This is your reservation ID. This email also includes a greetings, the guest details, the reservation details, and some reminders about the reservation policy, especially about the check-in time, cancellation, and no-show policy. This is the confirmation you are going to present to the front desk receptionist when you arrive at the hotel for verification. And that's all for the booking system if you are a guest.